Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: a Google account and billing enabled. First, install Google Cloud Console from the App Store and open it. Sign in and immediately select or create the project you'll use. Once done, enable the specific APIs you need for your workload. This avoids later permission errors. Make sure your mobile network or Wi-Fi is stable, then tap the project menu to confirm resources are visible before moving to configuration steps. You'll now configure resources and tools. Open Cloud Shell from the app or browser to run gcloud commands. This lets you deploy without a laptop. Create a service account for automation and grant only the roles it needs. Least privilege reduces risk. Deploy a small test workload such as Cloud Run or a Compute Engine VM and watch logs. Once you see successful start messages, note resource names and endpoints. These make further steps faster and debugging simpler. Finish by testing your services from the iPhone. Open endpoints, confirm HTTPS, and enable Stackdriver monitoring or alerts so you're notified of issues. Secure your setup by enabling multi-factor authentication and reviewing IAM permissions. Rotate any keys you created. If something goes wrong, re-authenticate in the app first, sign out and sign in, then verify billing is active and that the project's IAM roles include required permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.